The concept of Metaverse and its endless possibilities is not new to us. The enthusiasm of users wanting to innovate with Metaverse is unmatched. Unless you have been living under a rock, we all know some of these possibilities of using Metaverse, like traveling to your favorite destinations, dating people from across the globe, conduct job fairs, interviews, etc., onboarding of remote employees, team meetings and get-togethers, online shopping with an upgrade, getting married. So here are some possibilities we believe not many of us know. Experiencing your favorite movie or drama. The entertainment industry is experimenting and people are loving it. Being able to be part of one of your favorite movies or series is a dream come true for many. The kind of experience the fashion industry is bringing for all the fashionistas out there is truly unbelievable. Unique consumer engagement methods, community building, and much more are something that is benefiting both the companies and customers. Metaverse casinos are rapidly gaining popularity. Though a true master of gambling might argue the experience is not real enough. But if you are here to just experience and have fun, then it is for you. Which of these would you like to try given a chance? Let us know your unique Metaverse experiences in the comments. And follow us for more interesting content.